Hey Amore! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Aleco and today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve a fantastic icy makeup look for Halloween. So stay tuned because you're going to see me going from this to this. Okay, so first things first, you have to clean your face in order to remove whatever oils or dirt you may have so the makeup can stay longer. And as you can see, I don't practice what I preach because this little cotton pad is so dirty that I'm already scared. So for me this is a very crucial step, which is covering my beautiful, amazing, dark and noticeable dark circles. I use a concealer and a sponge in order to achieve a very natural makeup look because I don't want this to affect whatever I'm gonna put on top afterwards. This step is very cool because this is what is gonna give you the basis for your ice makeup look. What for me was super incredible is that this is a kid's makeup, like for fairs or parties. It's a water-based creamy foundation. I was using it all over my face, my shoulder, my neck, everywhere. It stayed like for such a long time that I was really impressed by this makeup. Coming back to the technique, you're gonna apply these little strokes, and then after you're gonna apply concealer in between those white strokes. Why? Because you don't want to look white like a zombie. You don't want to look white like Casper or a ghost. What you want to do is actually give that like tender, fleshy tone to the icy makeup look as well, just to make it more believable. So now the next step is to blend everything together. It's going to take a little while because you want to mix very good that white with the concealer and also bring it to your hairline. Cover all your face, all your neck and all your beard in case you have, and also your shoulders. After that, you're gonna actually set everything with a setting powder. It can be white, it can be translucent, but you have to set everything because if you sweat, everything's gonna start running like crazy. So now I'm using the contouring technique to highlight some features of my face. I'm using the blue tones very close to the hairline because afterwards I'm gonna mix them with blue gel just to make it more believable. Also apply it on the cheekbone areas as a contour in order to create depth, to give dimension to the face, to structure it a little bit more. You can use different blue tones. Here I'm using the first layer, which is a very light blue. Afterwards I'm going to apply a darker color as finishing touch. I'm also applying it on the jawline, and I do it specifically on my jawlines because on the left side I have like a little hole. I'm missing hair there, I don't know why, but this is a very good way also to hide these little imperfections that I have on my face. So now for the eyes, what I'm doing is applying a matte baby blue color on the lid to create a little depth. This is going to look very cool with my contact lenses. Then after, I'm going to apply a darker blue color in the outer corner of the eyes and bring it all the way to the temples just to create this mask effect. As you may already notice, white is a key color for this look, so I'm putting white in the inner corners just to highlight. I also put it on the forehead, bridge of the nose, and use it as a highlighter also for the cheekbones. Now I'm contouring my nose with the darker blue, because why not? I mean, it's gonna look super flat if I don't apply some dimension with darker colors in the center of the face, so that's why I'm contouring my nose. So coming back to restructuring the features of your face, I'm going to apply a darker blue color on the cheekbones and the hollow parts just to create more structure, more definition. I'm going to use it as well very close to the hairline because I don't want any skin tones to show between my hairs and my forehead. And this is also going to give me more dimension. Okay, this is a tricky part. I'm going to be using liquid latex in order to stick to it some of the cellophane papers that I have, which are very kind of like icy looking, all over my eyebrows. I'm gonna do the same process for the beard, but with another type of glitter. So this part could take a little time because, well, in my case, I'm applying these cellophane papers one by one. I couldn't find the fake snow to do it, but I think it was interesting to use this one because they're very reflective. I love the effect. But you can still use fake snow and grab them in bunch and you stick them to your eyebrows. A good tip is to have the bag under you, because when the papers fall, for example, they're gonna fall actually in the bag, so you're not gonna make a mess. So for the beard, I'm doing exactly the same, but I'm using a different kind of glitter because, as you know, the hairs from the beard are different from the hairs of the eyebrows. I'm using a brush. You can use also the spatula, you can use the hands or your fingers to stick them to the liquid latex as well. The lips are also very important in this makeup, so I'm using a blue color. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with a darker one in order to achieve this icy, cold, bluish tones on the lips. Because my look involves the upper chest area, I'm also gonna define the clavicles by applying darker shades of blue in the hollow parts of the clavicles. I'm gonna also highlight the bone by applying white to it. You can also use shimmery tones in order to make it look more realistic and icy. Oh my god, I'm so happy because contact lenses, they give me always a hard time, but today I did it in a very record time, so I'm super happy because of this. As you can see, this is an icy blue one. It's called Ice Walker. I was supposed to record the whole process for the hair, but I just managed to record the white gel because my camera died, so I couldn't get the blue one. But well, you can see here the final results with the blue gel. So let's talk about the crown. I made it with hot glue, and actually it was an inspiration from Alex Faction in YouTube. Thank you, Alex, for letting us enjoy your makeup. So this is actually the key piece of all the look from today. So let's see the final result.